exercise and activities to develop the right mindset. The right mindset includes growth mindset, positive mindset, and challenge mindset. So start getting your mindset right each day, build a routine, see beyond today to reach your goals, step out of your comfort zone. With the right mindset, nothing can stop you. Yes, one thing I admit, the most challenges task, particularly for us, Khasi, Jaintia, and any tribals, is how to deal with our tribal mindset. I experienced this. This is one of the challenges we have to deal with our tribal mindset. Yes, we understand this is a complex subject. I will not comment further on this, and perhaps we may have a separate session to talk about this tribal mindset and how we move forward in this 21st century. My last point is you have to train your appetite. One, you have to build a solid foundation. Two, you have to have the right mindset. And third, you have to train your appetite. By appetite, we do not mean only the desire for food. Appetite does not mean only the desire for food, but the desire of the mind, the soul, and the flesh, what we also call the worldly goods, like craving, demand, greed, inclination, longing, lust, bad habits. We have to train our appetite. You see, what issue which we are very concerned in this field is high, what we call MR, mortal spirit, and high IMR. And one reason why we have this high MR and high IMR is because the state also record among the highest states which has the highest number of teenage pregnancy. So this is also an issue for the state. So I appeal to all of you, particularly or young students, do not jump, do not rush into love of us as long as you are in school and colleges. There will be time for each one of you for that. This is the time for you to build a strong foundation. This is the time for you to develop the right mindset, and this is the time for you to train your appetite. One example that came to my mind, the person who has been able to successfully train his appetite is Daniel. Daniel from the Bible. You can read the book of